Go for it.
All right, so the question of the day, can you steal the spirit of ecstasy from a Rolls Royce?
All right.
Well, I say no.
Oh my God.
That's the first time.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, so you go in and tell. Yeah, somebody should go in and tell somebody.
Wait, I have to go tell? She's doing her whole car.
Bolts literally inside this wing are so difficult to get to.
Just cut them off.
Right, okay.
Mate, what have you done? I said cut the bolts off, not the bloody wing.
Oh yeah, I thought you meant the wing.
The bolts, cut through the bolts.
Oh.
Through here.
Oh,
When I take my Tesla through a tunnel. Vroom, 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 bang, bang, bow. Vroom, 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 ba-da-doom, bang, bow. Vroom, vroom, bow, bow.
Wow, nice car. What do you do for a living?
man, I need you to clear this.
Oh, okay, okay, thank you.
What are you doing?
What? No. No, bro. What? Old lady, get in the... Yo, that old lady's getting into that super, bro.
Okay, so this is the Amazing Spider-Man, and take a close look at this. See that? Hold on. Hold on, hold on. Is that a Supra? detailing.com. They have these overlays that are pre-cut. Now what these are the amber deletes for your side reflectors. So this side reflector pretty much doesn't have very much use. It's pretty much there for safety reasons. Has a small little bulb right here.
Yeah, it's like, so when you really want to have a fast cigarette, like, you get in the truck and you're like, oh god, I gotta have a smoke, You get your, put the window back up, it's cold. Can you imagine if somebody's robbing you, like, stick their hands in the door, and you're like, I would do that. Why not? There goes your head, bud. I think how fast it goes up. Uh-oh.
Hey,
New car.
Did
It's a
you-
Mercedes.
it's a what?
A Mercedes.
Can I see it?
Yeah.
That's nice. What is it?
A Mercedes.
That's nice.
What does 710 mean?
What?
What does 710 mean?
On where? The batteries?
No, on that cover right there.
It's 710.
It says 710 right there.
Nuts. Where do you see 710?
Right here, 710.
It's oil.
Well, life on the farm kind of laid back, ain't nothing like a country boy that we can hack. Early to rise, early to shack, thank God I'm a country boy.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Extremely right wing. Bernie. Trump. Obama. Protected by ADT. Athletic. This truck means nothing to me. Yeah, it's a Prius.
Pure dedication right there. When the damn, hey, the socket set's leaving. Oh my God. There it goes. Holy shit, bro.
Hey, you see this? She deserves it more.
Did you just play some light jazz?
Вот вам, пожалуйста. Слышь? Не мои.